do not lie, do not steal, do not be lazy. These are 3 golden rules to live by, and they guide a life of respect and trust. When spiders unite, they can tie up a lion. Even the smallest beings can achieve great things through cooperation. Unity and teamwork turn weakness into strength. A bamboo that bends is stronger than an oak that resists. Flexibility and adaptability help you survive challenges. Being rigid can break you, but bending with circumstances makes you resilient. The tongue has no bones, but it can break bones. Words may seem harmless, but they carry immense power. They can hurt, heal, or change lives, so speak carefully and wisely. Every man is the blacksmith of his own destiny. You are responsible for shaping your own life. Your choices, actions, and effort determine the path you follow and the success you achieve.